welcome to Propel Guru channel. Today we are going to discuss about formula to combine marketing and sales funnel. I'm Pratibha Dubey. Welcome you all to the Propel Guru channel. If you're looking for business solution, then surely you are on the right platform. Today we came up with the idea of combining marketing and sales in a very innovative and engrossing manner. As we all know that marketing and sales are one of the main aspects of digital marketing, and both go hand in hand to attract, inform and retain more customers. Also, the combination of marketing and sales funnels plays a crucial role in the future of your business success. Everything digital that transforms into revenue for organization passes through these funnels. And for the smooth functioning of the marketing and sales funnel, it is very important to recognize your target audience. Our market is changing aggressively, and so are our customers' needs. But luckily, our customer needs can be easily identified by arcing the communication gap between the sales and marketing teams. In addition to this, the collective data shows that each prospect goes through the whole research and before engaging with any sales representative. Surely, that will help the marketers to take the lead and help them in taking their business in front of prospect and let them know about their product or services. Let me ask you a very simple question. Have you ever wondered what benefits sales funnel and marketing funnel bring to the table for marketers when combined? No? Don't worry, we have put together comprehensive guide to learn about the sales funnel and marketing funnel and how combining these two can help you attract more leads and change them into a loyal customers. Firstly, let's discuss that what is a marketing funnel. A marketing funnel is a visualization that marketers use to understand the process of interacting with their target audience. Funnels use messages, intentions, and attitude for users to match their creative assets. Obviously, keeping in mind customers' taste and interest. The marketing channel is your audience journey through research, education, information, and the decision-making process. Here we do complete analysis of our audience. Now coming up to the sales funnel. A sales funnel is a step-by-step procedure that brings your prospect one step closer to your offering and buying decision through a series of marketing promotions such as automated emails, videos, articles, and landing pages. It is a visual representation of customer journey that represents the sales process from awareness to action. This journey is quite simple. Here we have to use the item model, that is awareness, interest, desire, and action. Primarily, we create awareness among our audience about the services or goods that we are providing, then presenting it in an attractive way to grab more and more eyeballs on our product. After that, we have to create an urge in our audience to buy the product or service for themselves. And finally, taking their urge on the top level and compelling them to buy the product or service. Now let me take you through the marketing and sales funnel of Propel Guru. Brand plus persona, strategy, sales ready website, content creation plus promotion lead generation and nurturing sales embedment lead, qualification prospecting, outreach sales presentation, demos proposal, objection handling refinement plus closing calls. It is believed to be a full-fledged funnel that involves both sales and marketing strategy and solution, followed by Propel Guru, the best digital marketing agency in Canada to generate actual results and higher brand awareness. Steps for aligning sales funnel and marketing funnel. First, sales ready website. Building a website is quite easy and anyone can put it into practice. Also, limiting it to a standard digital brochure is a general idea that everyone can practice. But the real challenge faced today is transforming this website into a powerful lead generation machine. Hence, we have to attract the right visitor to generate higher quality leads by increasing sales and boosting conversion rates. Second is conversion optimization. The conversion optimization programs do more than just increase the storage rates for assets you already own. Here, measuring and creating future assets play an important role. Moreover, all the tracking is focused on your one big KPI. Inbound marketing is a marketing process with an existing marketing strategy, wherein a proven marketing campaign is added to create a new and productive marketing strategy. Once this marketing strategy is put into action, tracking those activities to achieve revenue generated goals comes into practice. Fourth is revenue operations. Companies should always seek support when developing business and technical processes within their CRM. Furthermore, one should always try to interact with the on-call consultant who knows all about the sales process. Fifth, search engine marketing. Search engine marketing is one of the main features in any marketing and sales funnel when ranking up on Google in search results. Optimization should always be based on an updated strategy so it ranks higher over the time. Assuming there is something new on the market but you didn't realize it, your marketing strategy may fail and you may not be able to rank first on Google search results. 6. Content development. Content has always been the key success in all aspects of marketing. Or we can say content is the backbone of marketing. However, your strategy is perfect. The content you use is not perfectly optimized for your marketing strategy. Then it will eventually fail. Therefore, every brand needs to consider and develop its marketing strategy with well-developed content. So these are the features that should always be considered when setting up marketing and sales funnel. To guide you on the path of aligning sales and marketing team in your organization, here we come up with some key steps that you should always follow to improve the way that your company communicates, inform, and engage with the customers. Steps to achieve marketing and sales alignment. First, build a single customer journey to get your sales and marketing department onto the same page. It is essential for you to restructure the entire customer journey. Everything should be tied, interconnected from the awareness phase at the top of the customer's journey funnel to brand loyalty. This is connectivity allows you and your team to have one perspective across the funnel. By having the appropriate system and technology in place, one can easily bridge a gap between the marketing data collected from leads and turn them into leads and opportunities. Second, agree on customer persona. In sales and marketing, it is vital to know who you want to sell your product or service, that is, your target audience. Failure to clarify who the ideal customer can often lead to ineffective strategy and misconnections between your team. Your sales and marketing team should agree on a customer profile by creating a perfect customer persona document to be more effective collaboratively. Working together helps you understand your ideal customer and what they are looking for and the biggest challenges, and helps you in converting them into a loyal customers. Third, utilize a marketing first approach. Potential customers are less likely to respond positively to cold calls or sales email if they are not aware of who you are. This may result in a negative impact on your company's reputation and reduce your chances of closing the deal. A successful sales and marketing team's best practice is to make a marketing first approach. In this approach, marketers target the potential customers who have a specific problem and show them how to simply solve it. Fourth, keep track of common KPIs. There is no denying that sales team success is generally measured by numbers, be it accounts, deal closed, or contract renewals. On the other hand, marketing teams are measured by lead quality, quantity, and brand awareness. To help your sales and marketing departments get in sync, all you have to do is consider common key performance indicator, that is KPI, measurements. If your sales and marketing team have the same KPIs, you have a good chance of realizing the synergies between their work and analyzing how your company is performing in sales and marketing. Fifth, use customer feedback. Finally, the most important and effective step you can take after align your sales and marketing teams together is to check out the feedback you get directly from your customers. The best time to get feedback is with customer service and sales promotion. It is an ideal opportunity for sales representatives to discover potential customers' pain point and motivate them to purchase their product or service. We Propel Guru is known as the best digital marketing agency in Canada. Our sales team has examined more than 800 prospects to understand what they want to achieve with our services. The general answer is to increase sales and boost customer loyalty. Aligning your sales and marketing team would be a perfect opportunity to grow your business and maximize the number of conversions. By combining the sales and marketing funnel, you can gain unique insights into the sales process, redefine and optimize your sales and marketing strategy, develop new business opportunities, and increase your sales. If you want to stay up to date with digital marketing trends and enhance your digital marketing skills, subscribe to our YouTube channel now to learn the core concepts of digital marketing from industry experts. You can gain access to dozens of insightful and informative marketing and sales videos, including tips on improving marketing results, starting blog writing, and sales strategy and tactics. So stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.